You can tell I don't bait fish very much. How deep are we? What's the depth?
40 metres.
Oh wow.
42 metres.
Okay. You know, this is the first time I've cast this in. Brand new.
Hope you get a fish.
Yeah, Stratic SW. I hope I get a fish too. Even a clownfish. I'd be happy with that. I reckon I'm on the bottom.
You probably are. Hot out here.
It is a bit hot. Could be the anticipation.
Yes. Got him.
First cast on the Stratic SW. Oh God, is it coming up? You're on too.
Oh, yeah, good fish.
Oh. I'll get out your way. We're going to get cross lines, dude. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Under me. Oh God.
Good fish.
Good fish. Oh, you got a good one. Oh, you've got a real good one. Ooh. Oh my God. Dude, if this is a snapper, it's a world record. Oh! Oh my God. Dude. Oh, you've got a monster. Have you got a tuna? No, it's not running that hard, eh? If it's a snapper, it's huge.
That'll be good.
Okay, get in there. This is huge. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I wasn't ready for this.
Nah.
First drop. Come back over here.
What is it? I've got to see. Cobia?
Yeah, feels cobia-ish.
Yeah?
Feels like a 10-ton weight.
Yeah.
Hope the shark don't come.
Yeah, yeah. That's a big problem, isn't it, on the Goldie? Still going. Holy. Who needs to go to the gym?
Oh,
You just come here. What are you running?
40 and 40.
40 and 40. This ain't a snapper.
Cobes.
Oh God.
Heavy.
It is. Very heavy. On his old power tip. Forget all the latest and greatest, mate.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go. What have we got? Oh my god, it's got to be a cobia. It's up high.
A big tuna.
A longtail. Is it a long?
Yeah. It's a stonker.
Dude, that's massive.
Go. You got it?
Yeah.
Good man. Oh. 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 Phew. Is that who you did that fishing charter with, that mob?
The fat hooker, True Blue.
Oh,
Yeah, good bunch. That was an unreal day. Yeah, we're just talking cobia after cobia, but the sharks were just tearing us apart.
you're on.
I'm guessing.
He's good.
I'm guessing. On the SW Stratic. I'm wearing it in. Whoa.
You need it on your neck.
Don't know, I don't think so. And we got colour. What do we got? Oh, snapper.
Nice penny.
Yeah, beautiful. Nice little panty there. Beautiful. That wasn't going anywhere. Happy days, nice breakfast.
Right on the spot here.
Right, I better get down quick.
Yes. On the drop.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Got a good fish here.
On the drop.
Yeah.
Oh, you're kidding. It's Andy Day today.
Good day.
Yeah.
Oh, he's taking you for a good run.
Yeah, he is. On the drop. Kidding me.
Great hit.
Oh my god. I wonder what this is. I wonder. Oh.
You got another tuna, mate.
Tuna.
Yeah. Yeah, put it on there. Coming up.
Sort of.
Get
Ah, shit. Oh no, it's going under the boat.
Alright.
Oh. It's going your way.
On my way. You up.
Unless it's a huge snapper. I wanna stay positive here. Oh, here we go. Oh, you're on too. Oh, he's getting smashed.
Oh, whoa.
Oh no. Oh. Oh, my god. You're on as well. It's a tuna. Woo. What have you got?
Big snapper.
You got a big snapper? Oh my god. Oh, that's huge. Oh, that is massive.
Got him.
Oh, listen to that go. Rightio.
Oh, look where I got him caught.
Oh my god.
Oh, so lucky.
Good stuff. Good fish.
Good fish.
Oh, rightio. So I've been holding on to this fish while Paulie's having fun getting his nice big snapper in. Rightio. Time to stop playing.
You want the gaff?
Come on, mate.
Got him.
There we go. Nice little tuna there. Can't beat that. Good fun. Good fun. Rightio. Okay. See ya. Woo!
Good shit.